Welcome to Rich Boy Tech Channel. Let's make money online.
Hello guys, welcome to Rich Boy Tech. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to withdraw your Hamster coins to your Bybit account. So first of all, log in your Hamster Combat on your Telegram account. It's loading. Then go to airdrop. Click on the airdrop. Then scroll, you will see Bybit exchange. Click on it. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. But if you have already signed up on Bybit, you have to log in. So create an account. Then go to your Bybit account and look for the Bybit UID number. So to look for the Bybit UID number, go to your profile. You will see the number on your profile. Yeah, look at it. So you have to copy the UID number correctly. Make sure the number are correct. Paste it on the Bybit UID number section. Then the next step is to go to and collect the Hamster Combat wallet. To do that, click on Asset, click on Sports, and search for Hamster. That is HMSTR. There you see. So they get to wallets, click on Deposit. To get the wallet number of your Hamster Combat coin on your Bybit, click on Deposit, then click on Turn. Then you will see your wallet address. Copy the wallet address, go back to your Telegram Hamster and paste the deposit and paste the wallet on your deposit. So the next step is to copy your tag stroke memo number. Copy it from your Bybit wallet and go to your Hamster Combat in Telegram and paste the memo, the number there. So if you are not getting everything correctly, you can go back and check. So make sure your wallet and your tag number are correct. If they are correct, choose save and choose. Then voila, your Bybit have been connected to your Hamster. Then you can withdraw when the coins are released. Thank you. So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.